Hi, today we are going to learn how to allow the admin to moderate registrations using the CM registration plugin and the Approve New Users add-on, meaning every user has to be approved or rejected before receiving an account. We consider that you have already bought and installed the base plugin and the Approve New Users add-on. For the following steps, the login and registration pop-ups has to be properly set up. You can get to learn how to do this in another hour video. Let's start configuring the add-on. This is the most important part of the process. Navigate to CM Registration Pro, Settings, Approve New Users. Enable approving new users by admin. Enable the functionalities of the add-on. Enable approving new users by profile field. Allows you to assign different contacts to approve accounts. To do this, insert the meta key of the content field that will be checked. We suppose your company may have sellers collecting information from new users. If you would like registered users to identify the seller, if the seller exists, he or she will receive the message and approve the account. If the seller is not mentioned or doesn't exist, you, the administrator, will receive the email confirmation instead. How to set this up? Navigate to CM Registration Pro, Profile Fields. Edit the form to add the seller's contact. In this case, it's email of Timex contact, with the user meta key email of Timex contact, as you can see on the screen. Click the button Save to save the changes. And now get back to the settings to Approve New Users tab and add the meta key email of Timex contact to the Enable Approving New Users by Profile field. And don't forget to click the button Save to save the changes. Let's see the result on the front end. So we enter all needed information for registration and seller's email, and while the user is waiting for an approval, the seller gets the email to confirm or reject the registration. How to approve or reject users? This is the core process of this add-on. There are two ways to do it: via emails or via approval dashboard. First way, via email. The site admin can choose to send themselves or anyone they wish notification emails whenever a visitor with a registration code attempts to register on the site. This email can have a link to approve or reject the registrant directly from the email. To do so, write the email to the field email address list to send the notification to. You can add multiple addresses separated by comma. You can customize the admin email notification, its subject and its text using lots of shortcodes that you can see on the screen. The default admin notification email contains the link to approve or reject the registration. However, if you happen to delete the original template contents, you can add the approve or reject links very easily using shortcodes approve URL and reject URL as links in the body of the email. You can create anchors and add them as the href parameter or use the visual editor and click the link button to do this. The section Owner Notifications offers another list of emails and template to work with. The function is the same: monitor and approve or reject registrations. Email notification to the user. There are two types of email notifications for the users that wait for an approval: approval email and rejection email. You can customize both of them, their subjects and their bodies using lots of shortcodes that you can see on the screen. Use them to add dynamic content to the subject or body of the email. The second way to approve or reject users, via Approval Dashboard. You can manage all requests from a single dashboard. To reach it, navigate to CM Registration Pro, Pending Registrations. Once clicking on the menu link, the Registration Moderation dashboard will appear. The admin can click the Approve or Reject button. Once Approve has been clicked, the notification email will be sent to the user. Also note that clicking the login name will direct you to the profile field screen of that user. There is also another way: you can automatically approve users. To configure it, get back to Settings, Approve New Users and scroll to the bottom of the page. There are two options to approve user account registration. First, Allow by invitation code. It approves all users registered using invitation codes, regardless of the invitation code used. Let's see the result on the front end. And the second, Allow by demands. For example, adding gmail.com and yahoo.com will automatically approve all users with emails from either of those domains. Domains must be separated by new lines. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to approve and reject new registrations. Thanks for watching the video.